Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through best editing software for YouTube. So let's start with some of the most popular tools, and later in the video, I'll share my #1 recommendation for a more advanced video editor that is extremely easy to use. I'll reveal this tool and even show you how to use it so you can save literally hundreds of hours per month. Let's begin with CapCut, a user-friendly editor that's perfect for beginners. CapCut is available on all platforms, including Windows, Mac, and smartphones, making it accessible to everyone. While it's designed for ease of use, it still offers a range of advanced features. In fact, CapCut competes with more professional editing tools like DaVinci Resolve, but it's faster and easier to use. You can quickly trim, cut, merge videos, and add effects and transitions. It's a great option for new content creators because it allows you to start uploading videos right away, helping you learn faster through practice. For those looking to advance from a beginner to an intermediate level, DaVinci Resolve is a fantastic choice. Known for its stability, especially on newer computers, DaVinci Resolve rarely crashes, unlike some other editing software. This reliability keeps the editing process smooth. It's also an all-in-one solution, offering motion graphics, text animations, color grading, and more, all within one program. DaVinci Resolve has a free version, making it accessible to everyone with an option to upgrade to a paid version for access to professional-level features. Next option is After Effects, which is used for creating motion graphics, visual effects, and animations. It's widely used in film, TV, and online video production for tasks like keyframing, compositing, and adding effects. Users can animate text, shapes, and images. It's highly customizable with plugins and integrates well with other tools. After Effects is essential for creating dynamic visuals and complex post-production effects. Now, for my top recommendation, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Gling AI. Gling is introduced as a tool that simplifies video editing by automating tasks like removing pauses, mistakes, and filler words. It's designed to save users from manual editing work. The first step is to sign up to Gling using the link provided in the description below once you're on the Gling sign-up page. Choose the account you want to sign up with, such as Google account, and verify it. After verifying, you will be directed to the main page of Gling. Then upload your raw video by dragging and dropping the file. Then click on Enhance and Edit. Gling supports various file formats, so compatibility isn't an issue. Uploading a file may take a while. When your file is uploaded, Gling automatically detects and removes awkward pauses, repeated takes, and filler words. It can also cut out any silent pauses, which is particularly useful when there's a break after making a mistake. It eliminates all the unnecessary data, resulting in a shorter and simpler video. As you can see, my original video was 6 minutes long, but after editing, it has been reduced to 3 minutes. Additional features includes adding smart captions to your video. This feature smooths transitions when recording videos where you're on camera. Gling can reduce or remove background noise to improve sound quality. Gling auto-generates captions for videos, although minor adjustments may be needed for accuracy. Users can adjust pacing, remove or modify captions, and edit sound. In essence, Gling is highlighted as a time-saving video editor with features designed to simplify the process while maintaining flexibility for manual adjustments. If you'd like to try this demonstration, the link to Gling is provided in the description below.